And as you can see, guys, the gems and spins are rolling in my game right now. This is so nice to watch. Yo guys, free spins and gems in Fish of Fortune game. This is not any cheat. These resources have been bought by some great sponsors, and that's how you're able now to get them for free. Alright, I'm starting by disable my power saving mode. I'm turning it on and off again just to be sure. Before diving into the method, guys, I want to open my game and let you see my current situation. And this is it, 17 gems and a bit over 200 spins. That's not very great, but let's change that. I'm gonna open my browser and go to ontweak.com. Make sure it's the .com one, guys, not anything else. Here I search for the Fish of Fortune game. I also see there are many users online. That's a good thing, and it means people are actually using this. Here I enter my user ID. You can find your ID in game by tapping on your settings button, if I remember well. Then I'm selecting Android and the biggest amount of spins plus gems, of course. Now guys, as I've already told you, these spins and gems were bought by some sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to get them. But the best part of it, it's all free and it will only cost you some minutes of your time to complete this step. Don't worry about it, they also provide a small tutorial there to help you. Okay, now let's check the game and see if this method worked. And as you can see, guys, the gems and spins are rolling in my game right now. This is so nice to watch, but let's not stop at this. I'm gonna use some spins so you can see this is for real. Alright, so let's tap on it. And yep, it worked. The spins number changed. We have over 900k spins to play with, and that's awesome because I love this game. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I wish you a great day. Please don't forget to hit that like button and even subscribe if this method helped you.